Well, it is great to see you. Appreciate you joining us. We've got lots going on in our weather, and I'm your American weatherman, Carl Rippy, so come on in. We'll check this out together. We do see some of these clouds still making their way through, and the stormy conditions that we had, they're not a distant memory, but they have been gone long enough that we're starting to see some really open skies and lack of that storm development. You'll notice that things are really starting to open up for us. So that means that we're going to have our share of sunshine. Temperatures are going to come up into those upper 80s, lower 90s. Now with that cloud cover that's going to make its way in, we are going to see a little bit of that. So it isn't going to be out of the question to get a brief shower. We've got 20–30% chance of that happening as we get into our Wednesday afternoon through the evening, overnight, Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We could see some of those conditions be a little bit more active for us as those clouds get a little heavier and those chances of showers come up. But they're going to remain fairly low, and what you do see here in terms of what could be storm development is likely just to be some threatening skies, some heavier clouds here and there. Doesn't look like there's going to be a lot of activity. We will have some winds that'll try to pick up. We'll have a gust or two. That's going to drive our wave heights just a bit, so maybe a little bit choppy for us out in the open water, but for the most part, those clouds are going to reveal a beautiful sunset for us as we're out in the evening. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-80s. It's going to be fairly mild. We may get down into the lower 80s to start. Our morning low could be just a little bit cooler. We'll get into the upper 80s, not out of the question to see a lower 90 into the afternoon, and it's going to feel pretty warm for us, especially in the direct sunlight. So those chances of those showers, 20–30% for our Wednesday, for our Thursday and Friday, they're going to be in the forecast. Upper 80s are going to stay with us. Our weekend looking like it's going to shape up nicely, and we're going to hold in those lower 80s for our overnight temps as we get into our early morning. Now that's a quick look at our weather on One Happy Island, brought to you by Linky TV and Aruba Native News.